Some of humanity's greatest discoveries were literally dreamed into existence, like the chemistry Auguste Keiko dreamed of a snake beating its own tail and woke up to draw the structure of benzene. Or the Indian mathematician Ramanujan dreamed that a gardener wrote a formula for him. Those equations later become the foundation for black hole thermodynamics. And Nikola Tesla once said he could see his inventions fully formed in dreams. So, it raises a question, if dream is kind of a program, can we reverse engineer them? And as I dug into this topic, I realized scientists are already trying to do exactly that. They are building devices, designing training methods, and attempting to form surgery inside dreams. Hi curious babies, it's Ja. Have you ever had this feeling? You know you are dreaming, but you cannot wake up. You try to flip a light switch, and it feels like your hand is pushing through jelly. Your rational mind is shouting, "This is a dream," but your body says, "Not my department." That is a lucid dream. In simple terms, it's when you unlock God mode inside your dream. You are both actor and director. Psychologists say lucid dreams are actually quite common. About 55% of people experience it at least one in the lifetime, and around 23% have them almost every month. But the real magic isn't in being half awake. It's when these lucid dreams happen, almost all of them occur during one crucial stage of sleep. Yeah, we talked in last video, the REM phase, or rapid eye movement. So, first, let's complete the details of the last video. What is a REM? In the 1950s, scientists discovered through EEG scans that people don't sleep in one flat, endless state. Every so often, the brain switches gears into strange rhythm. The body becomes completely relaxed. Muscles are locked, but the brain waves start throwing a party. The emotional centers like amygdala, hippocampus light up like fireworks, while the rational zone, like prefrontal cortex, almost shut off. Behind closed eyelid, your eyes duck back and forth. That's a REM stage. During REM, we are most likely to dream, and also most likely to wake up from dreams. So you might have guessed it as well. We'll have to take this period of time to control our dreams. Don't worry, we'll explain the method step by step further. For each night, we go through about 4 to 5 REM circles, and the later the night goes, the longer each REM lasts. The final 2 circles can stretch for 40 minutes or more. And this is dreams we usually remember. So think of REM as your brain's private cinema. All the days, fragments, memories, stress, emotions get remixed here. And a lucid dream when someone suddenly stands up mid-movie and tells the director, "Hey, I would change the script." In 2025, a neuroscience team published an experiment in the Journal of Neuroscience. They said participants to wear EEG caps during REM sleep, and here's what they found. At the exact moment a person realized, "I'm dreaming," their EEG suddenly flashed a unique awakening pattern. Gamma waves speak in the occipital and the parietal lobes, while across regional connections of alpha waves increased sharply. What does that mean? It means lucid dreaming isn't a half asleep, half awake mess. It's a localized awakening. Just imagine your brain as a skyscraper. When you sleep, all the lights are off. When you dream, the emotional flowers light up, and during lucid dreams, someone secretly switched the rational flow back on. Now you can dream and think. You can experience a story and question it at the same time. You have become a bugger tester inside your own subconscious. That's why lucid dreams feels instantly realistic. The texture of the walls, even the lighting angles, everything looks ultra HD, sharper than real life. In that moment, the brain is basically overclocking consciousness. Of course, scientists weren't satisfied with just observing. They wanted to hack them. In 2025, an American startup called Prophetic launched a dream control device with a religious-sounding name, Hello. Price tag about $2,000. They claimed it could induce and stabilize lucid dreams using AI-powered neurostimulation. Here's how it works. You wear it before bed. It monitors your brain waves in real time. Once it detects you are entering, it sends focused ultrasound pulses to your dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, the brain region responsible for logic and self-awareness. At that moment, your rational center wakes up. You realize, wait, I'm dreaming. Okay, lucid dream triggered. I don't know if any of you have used it. Yeah, you can share your feelings. But what I'm still worried about is whether I can fall asleep with this kind of thing. The device also uses machine learned to adapt your sleep cycles and optimize stimulation timing. They call it artificial awakening of dreams. Or you could say it's the first time humans install a light switch inside their subconscious. But what if I don't have a 2,000 lying around? Yes, ordinary people can train themselves to lucid dream. Here are some steps. Step 1. Wake back to bed. Sleep for 4 to 6 hours. Set an alarm. Wake up for about 10 minutes. Then go back to sleep. Because you are already in a long REM phase, it's easier for your awareness to get stuck at the dream's doorway. 2. It's called MILD, memory induction. Before sleeping, repeat to yourself, I will dream, and I know that I'm dreaming. Don't laugh. Experiments prove it actually increased the chance of that kind of dreams. Step 3. Dream journal. As soon as you wake up, write down every detail you remember. Over time, you will spot recurring dream markers. A certain door, a kind of light, a familiar person. Next time you see one, you'll instantly recognize it. Oh, I'm dreaming. Put these 3 together and you'll build the manual version of dream hacking, and it's much cheaper than AI. You know, in the past, we could only describe dreams with words, but now scientists are trying to recall them. January 2025. An fMRI research team succeeded in something incredible. By combining participants' brain activity maps during sleep with their post-dream reports, they managed to reconstruct dreams imagery inside a computer. The result was blurry, grainy, like an old TV full of static, but you could still make out human shapes, color shifts, and spatial layout. They called the process dream decoding and reconstruction. In other words, we are just one algorithm away from a dream camcorder. Imagine waking up one morning and being able to replay your dream like TV footage. You could treat it and add background music, uploaded it on my cloud. Dreams would stop being a secret midnight screen. They become your personal footage library. Of course, that raised the question, if your dream can be recorded, is it still your dream? This is where maybe things turn philosophical again. But you know, I'm a philo guy. And speaking of philosophies, Carl Jung believed dreams are the interface between the individual subconscious and the collective unconscious. When you create, edit, or hack your dream, you might also be rewriting part of the shared database and human psyche. Modern science have a similar idea, the holographic universe theory. It suggests that the entire universe is an information web, where every node contains a whole pattern. Consciousness, then, it is just one of those nodes. So, when you change a symbol, invoke an emotion to create an image in your dream, maybe the entire system ripples a little. Dreams might not just be your private show. They could be a collective computation of consciousness itself. The more we try to control it, the more likely that the dream will start reprogramming us. Okay, I'm gonna propose a philosophical reversal here. Who's dreaming whom? Humans like to think lucid dreaming is a triumph of awareness, but maybe it's just another illusion. You think you have grabbed the steering wheel of your dream, but maybe your brain is just saying, here, have some fun. You're never really driving away. The lucid dreamer's brain is like a VR headset player. You feel like you are in control, but really, the system just gives you the illusions of freedom. Studies show the frequent lucid dreamers often experience reality dissociation. They suddenly wonder in broad daylight, wait, I am still dreaming? Psychoanalysts take it further. Dream control isn't mastering the subconscious. It's a subconscious inventing a new trap. It lets you believe you are the master when pulling you even deeper into its logic. It's like someone finding a door inside a dream, walking through it and discovering another dream outside. In Inception, the spinning top never stopped. Finally, curious babies. We have gone from ancient wizards' spells to gamma waves, from an duke falling into a toilet to AI dream headband, from dreams as fate to dreams as an algorithm. It all sounds like humans are getting stronger, but maybe the truth is the opposite. We think we are controlling dreams, but dreams have a long since it started controlling us, by making us believe we have a control, by giving us comfort inside the illusions. Maybe dreams just watch us quietly, smile and whisper, relax and organize your data. So, curious babes, finally I would say, maybe dreams are letters written by consciousness to universe, and we are only the rough drafts. The dream keeps revising, deleting, rewriting until one morning we finally learn how to wake up inside it.
Well, we just came from the,
Think about it, Ariadne. How did you get here? Where are you right now?
We're dreaming.
Bye.